Here's a 2018 Audi Q5. Its sharp design makes it instantly recognizable. Its elegance and capability make it unmistakably Audi. You'll look forward to every drive with features like these: turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, gas pressurized shocks, streaming audio, power heated mirrors, heated and ventilated leather bucket seats, auto dimming rear view mirror, external memory control, doors and push-button start proximity key, dual zone climate control, front and rear parking sensors, and automatic transmission. Car and Driver reports all the Q5s come with electrically assisted power steering that actually has a sufficient amount of feedback for an SUV. Revolutionary engineering, progressive design, Audi. Hurry in today and see it for yourself.
Thank you for looking at this quality pre-owned vehicle from Audi Cary, a Leith dealership. We're located at 600 Auto Park Boulevard in Cary, North Carolina.